Imagine you hired somebody 6 months back. In the interview, he was very energetic, smart person. But today, after 6 months, when you look at it, he's either underperforming or you're doing half of his work or he has already left. Somewhere back of your mind, you're thinking, I am too bad at hiring. Hiring is not your problem. Or maybe, I don't know, but the real problem is something else. The real problem is you walk into a cinema and then you sit down and start scripting. No director does that, and even no founder should do that. Every hiring mistake you made is a wrong person in the wrong seat. Every resignation blindsided you, thinking that it was a wrong culture fit. It all started before even you put that job post. There could be interview mistake, and it all started because there was no script. In this video, I will talk about why you need a script so that you can scale your business and 4 steps to write the script. Let me share 3 traps which keeps you from hiring the right person. The first one, personality hire. Imagine this. You meet somebody at the conference. Person is very talkative. He gives you a lot of information. He refers a book that you've already read, and then you think he is the right person. You come back and you create a role for him and maybe even give us fancy designation, head of strategy. And 13 months later, you cannot explain what do they do on daily basis. Neither can they themselves. This person speaks beautifully, confidently in the meetings, but later nothing gets done. Remember, liking someone does not mean you need that person. Personality is good for creating an experience, but you need substance, you need script. The other trap is panic hire. Now imagine this. Your key resource from operation resigns on Friday evening. You know, nobody resigns on Monday morning. It is always Friday, late evening, and even critical when your project deliveries are just to be delivered. And on Monday morning, what you doing? You are interviewing. Whoever comes first, somewhere closer to your expectation, you just hire that person in the panic. And in that interview, you did not even check if that person has enough experience to perform the role that is expected. And 6 months later, you're still paying for that mistake. Remember this, desperation is not a hiring strategy. It is an expensive way to postpone the real problem. And the third trap is the today hire trap. Now imagine this. Your sales team is not performing, hence you hire a salesperson. Your operation is weak and hence you hire the operation staff. You're hiring because you need someone today. This hiring strategy is addressing today's problem and not paying attention to tomorrow's business outcomes. And when you do this, you're actually getting the team ready for the situation which was a year back. The truth is, when you hire your team member for today's problem, your team is not ready to handle tomorrow's growth. In these 3 different situations, there is one identical root cause. No script, no direction. I am Sunita Pidnekar, International Business Coach, and I help consulting business owner to build strategies, team and system which can work without their constant intervention. Let me tell you something honestly. Of all the systems that founders install, hiring system has the longest consequence. A bad process can hurt you this week, but a bad hire can hurt you for 2 years. And many times, your business is not stuck because of the market condition, but it is because the wrong person sitting in the wrong place. Because every wrong person you hired came from the script which was never written. Think about it. You're creating a great film. Before auditions, before actors, before anyone stands in front of the camera, the director has to write the script. Every character has a purpose. Every role has a reason to exist. Every scene has a clear definition of success. The only after the script is written, the casting actually starts. What separates a great director from the average one? The great director does not write the script based on the actor. Directors protect their script. No matter how big is the actor, If they cannot act on the script, then they do not get casted. Remember, the story is more important than the individual. Now imagine if directors start making the film like founders hire. In month of March, the actor is available. Let's look at what role can be given to him in March. Such films are long, expensive, and many a times it does not make any sense. Now I want you to pause. Let's review your last 3 hires. Did you have a script and then you hired, or you hired them and then you created a role for them? Let's look at the script framework. It has 4 steps and you should not avoid a single step. Skipping the steps may save few days for you today, but it would cost you a month later. Designing role is not about title or salary. It is about clarity. You don't only define the task list, you also define what this person needs to deliver for the business and what breaks down if this person does not deliver that business outcome. And remember, if you cannot define what the role needs to do for the next 6 months, you do not hire that person. And even if you hire, you're just playing a gamble. You need to define what standards look like with reference to capability of the person, knowledge, skill, and traits. And the other parameter is the culture fit for your organization. Diagnosing the fit means that understanding the gap between culture fit and culture add. Culture fit means it maintains what we already have, and culture add means it builds on to what we already have as a culture. A team full of culture fit means that you have a room full of mirror, identical to each other, same strength, same blind spots. If a new hire does not add to your existing culture or does not challenge you to do something more, it does not take your business forward. Deciding with data means you use your gut intelligently. Your instincts are shaped by your history, preferences, and biases, and hence your decision about hiring is a combination of gut and data. When you evaluate a client against the script, you define the standards, their culture add, their ownership mindset, and the evidence from their past. Your gut becomes informed instead of impulsive. I want you to live with this image. It is the first day of the shoot. Director is ready with the script. Every role is casted. Every actor knows what they are responsible for. Now, for the first time, director is not in the panic mode. He is relaxed. Not because the work is done, because he knows the system is in place. And that's the way your business looks like when you have a script for every role in detail. Every manager knows what they're responsible for. The decisions move without you being involved. And that's when the growth, the scaling up happens. Now remember this, 50 crore businesses are not created just by finding good people. They are created by writing the perfect script and then finding the right people to deliver that script. Before you hire next time, write the script and subscribe me for more practical, scalable strategies.